Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the basics that matter. Check your PC's IP4 address and default gateway with ipconfig/all or network settings so you know what's assigned. Once done, inspect the physical link, cable snug, port LEDs blinking, or Wi-Fi signal present because a bad cable mimics router errors. Then power cycle the modem and router for 30 seconds. This clears transient state. Make sure to wait for the router to fully boot so DHCP and routing services come back online. Next, reset the Windows network stack to remove corrupt entries. Run netch-winsock reset and netch-int IP reset, then ipconfig/release followed by ipconfig/renew. This forces a fresh DHCP lease. After that, log into the router at the gateway IP and verify DHCP is enabled. The pool size covers your devices and lease counts aren't maxed. If renew fails, assign a temporary static IP in the same subnet with the router gateway and test, ping to the gateway, to isolate whether DHCP or routing is the issue. For final remediation, update the network adapter drivers and adjust wireless bands or channel settings to avoid interference. Temporarily disable VPN or third-party firewall to rule them out. If the router's configuration appears corrupted or DHCP settings are irreparable, perform a factory reset and reconfigure SSID, password, and DHCP pool carefully. Once done, test with a second device to confirm the router supplies network settings. If multiple devices still can't get DHCP, contact your ISP. Note diagnostics you already ran to speed support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.